Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see why can't I hear anyone on Roblox voice chat. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, after joining in the game, you just need to press an escape key and go to settings and you just need to scroll down. Make sure the volume is at least set to the 1 point over here. After that, check if the problem solved or not. If not, then method 2, you just need to right click on the speaker icon over here and select the sound settings. Scroll down and select more sound settings. If you have multiple devices connected to your PC, you just need to find the right one you trying to hear, and after that you just need to select the device and select the set default option, and you will get this tick mark. You just need to right click on it and select test option, and now you can able to hear the sound over here. After that, go to recording tab, same thing, select the correct device and select the set default option and select apply and OK for changes. Now your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.